By common consent, The Old Man and the Sea is considered to be the modern classic. Ernest Hemingway, the American novelist, wrote this great saga of human struggle against the nature. The story deals with Santiago's struggle to catch the greatest fish. Here, Santiago is hero, Merlin, the fish, is antagonist, Manolin, the boy, Martin, the owner of the terrace, Pedrico, Perico, etc. are some of the less important characters. For the most part of the novel, the Gulf Stream is the setting. Ernest Hemingway's The Old Man and the Sea is really an interesting novel. It gives a great message to the readers. At least try to read once the original text. You will really enjoy it. Let's concentrate on some of the important MCQs on The Old Man and the Sea. MCQs on The Old Man and the Sea. Number 1. Which of the following is true to The Old Man and the Sea? Options are A. It is the novella by Ernest Hemingway. B. It won the Pulitzer Prize and the Nobel Prize for Hemingway. C. It tells a tale of Cuban fisherman. D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 2. Ernest Hemingway won the Nobel Prize in the dash dash. Options are A. 1951, B. 1952, C. 1953, D. 1954. Correct option is D. 1954. Number 3. Hemingway's The Old Man and the Sea is a tale of the fisherman of dash dash. Options are A. Haiti, B. Jamaica, C. Mexico, D. Cuba. Correct option is D. Cuba. Number 4. Identify from the following the protagonist of The Old Man and the Sea. Options are A. San Pedro, B. Santiago, C. Dimiago, D. Jack J. McGraw. Correct option is B. Santiago. Number 5. Which of the following is true to Santiago, the protagonist of The Old Man and the Sea? Options are he was thin and gaunt, B. His eyes were of the color of the sea, C. He is accustomed to talk to himself, D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 6. As Hemingway describes Santiago's sail looks like dash dash. A. The flag of permanent defeat. B. The erosion in the fishless desert. C. The greatest patch in the ocean. D. The wretched beggar. Correct option is A. The flag of permanent defeat. Number 7. For the first 40 days, the boy called dash dash was with Santiago. Options are A. Rogelio, B. Perico, C. Manolin, D. Pedrico. Correct option is C. Manolin. Number 8. The fishermen in the novel The Old Man and the Sea sell their fish in the market in dash dash. Options are A. Casablanca, B. Havana, C. Cienfuegos, D. Miami. Correct option is B. Havana. Number 9. Ernest Hemingway's novel The Old Man and the Sea describes Santiago's dash tour on the sea. A. 84th, B. 85th, C. 86th, D. 87th. Correct option is B. 85th. Number 10. Santiago sets on his 85th tour on the sea in the month of dash dash. Options are A. May, B. July, C. September, D. January. Correct option is C. September. 11. Identify from the following the owner of the terrace, the cafe in the Old Man and the Sea. Options are A. Dimiago, B. San Pedro, C. Perico, D. Martin. Correct option is D. Martin. Number 12. As Hemingway says in his The Old Man and the Sea, who of the following always carries a list of horses in his pocket? Options are A. Dick Sisler, B. Durocher, C. John J. McGraw, D. San Pedro. Correct option is C. John J. McGraw. Number 13. Pick out from the following the hero of Santiago, the protagonist of The Old Man and the Sea. Options are A. Martin, B. Dick Sisler, C. Dimiago, D. John J. McGraw. Correct option is C. Dimiago. Number 14. The name of Dimiago's father is dash dash. Options are A. Martin, B. San Pedro, C. Dick Sisler, D. Durocher. Correct option is B. San Pedro. Number 15. Dimiago's father was dash dash. Options are A. The wrestler, B. The rider, C. The fisherman, D. The sportsman. Correct option is C. The fisherman. Number 16. The sack of the Santiago was made up of the tough bird seeds of the royal dash dash. A. Palms, B. Kapok, C. Short-leaf fig, D. None of these. Correct option is A. Palms. Number 17. On the wall of the sack of Santiago, which of the following portrait is hanging? Options are A. Heart of Jesus, B. Virgin of Power, C. Both, D. None of these. Correct option is C. Both. Number 18. Who of the following was the principal friend of Santiago on the ocean? Options are A. Green turtles, B. Warbler, C. Hawksbill, D. Flying fish. Correct option is D. Flying fish. Number 19. As Santiago thinks, dash dash are the falsest things in the sea. Options are A. Iridescent bubbles, B. Green turtles, C. Sharks, D. Warblers. Correct option is A. Iridescent bubbles. Number 20. Santiago had played the hand game in the tavern at dash dash with the great Negro from the Cienfuegos. A. Casablanca, B. Havana, C. Miami, D. Elsewhere. Correct option is A. Casablanca. Number 21. Who says in the Old Man and the Sea as, but man is not made for defeat. A man can be destroyed but not defeated. Options are A. Santiago, B. San Pedro, C. Martin, D. Dimago. Correct option is A. Santiago. Number 22. Who of the following says in the Old Man and the Sea as, luck is a thing that comes in many forms. Options are A. San Pedro, B. Dick Sisler, C. Duke Roker, D. Santiago. Correct option is D. Santiago. The great fish caught by Santiago is dash dash feet long. Options are A. 15, B. 18, C. 21, D. 25. Correct option is B. 18. Number 24. Santiago catches the great fish in dash dash. Options are A. The Gulf Stream, B. The Dead Sea, C. The Red Sea, D. The Caribbean Sea. Correct option is A. The Gulf Stream. Number 25. Dash dash attacks the first carcass of the great fish caught by Santiago. Options are A. Mako shark, B. Bull shark, C. Sand tiger shark, D. Black tip shark. Correct option is A. Mako shark. Number 26. Santiago has taken down the portrait of his wife for dash dash. Options are A. It made him feel lonely, B. He has an extreme contempt for his wife, C. The frame of the portrait had broken, D. Some unknown reason. Correct option is A. It made him feel lonely. Number 27. The Old Man and the Sea presents Santiago as a dash dash. Options are A. The great lover of the sea, B. The great baseball player, C. The great wrestler, D. The great fisherman. Correct option is D. The great fisherman. Number 28. Santiago promises to make his pilgrimage to dash dash if he catches the great fish. Options are A. Virgin of Cover, B. El Template, C. Christ of Havana, D. Basilica di Cover. Correct option is A. Virgin of Cover. Number 29. Santiago won the title El Campeon or the champion with his victory over dash dash. Options are A. The Great Merlin, B. The Mako shark, C. The shovel-nosed sharks, D. The Great Negro from Cienfuegos. Correct option is D. The Great Negro from Cienfuegos. Number 30. Which of the following is true to the boy Manoli? Options are A. He is Santiago's follower, B. He has a great affection for Santiago, C. he brings food and other essentials to him. D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 31. Who says in the old man and the sea eyes, I am a strange old man? Options are A. Santiago, B. Dick Sisler, C. San Pedro, D. Draucker. Correct option is A. Santiago. Number 32. As Santiago thinks, Dastas is the lucky number. Options are A. 9, B. 11, C. 85, D. 87. Correct option is C. 85. Number 33. Which of the following is the greatest record of Santiago's returning without fees? Options are A. 85, B. 86, C. 87, D. 88. Correct option is C. 87. Number 34. Pick out from the following the hero of Santiago. Options are A. John J. McGraw, B. Draucker, C. San Pedro, D. DiMaggio. Correct option is D. DiMaggio. Number 35. Who in the old man and the sea suffers from the disease called bone spur? Options are A. DiMaggio, B. John J. McGraw, C. Perico, D. Pedrico. Correct option is A. DiMaggio. Number 36. Santiago donates the hair of the great Merlin to Dastas. Options are A. Pedrico, B. Perico, C. Lady Tourist, D. Manoni. Correct option is A. Pedrico. Number 37. Which of the following is done by Santiago to require confidence in him to catch the great fish? Options are A. He says, "Tell our fathers." B. He says, "10 Hail Marys." C. He promises to make a pilgrimage to the Virgin de Cover. D. He does all these. Correct option is D. He does all these. Number 38. To get more confidence, Santiago recollects Dastas. A. An incident in the tower at Casablanca when he had defeated the great Negro in the hand game. B. An incident of his marriage ceremony. C. An incident of his pilgrimage to El Template. D. None of these. Correct option is A. An incident in the tower at Casablanca when he had defeated the great Negro in the hand game. Number 39. Santiago's hand game with the great Negro that had started on a Sunday morning came to an end. Dastas. A. At the noon of that day. B. With the sunset of the Sunday. C. At the midnight of Sunday. D. On the morning of the Monday. Correct option is D. On the morning of the Monday. Number 40. As Santiago thinks, which of the following organ has always been traitor to him? Options are A. His eyes, B. His feet, C. His right hand, D. His left hand. Correct option is D. His left hand. Number 41. Which of the following is true to the teeth of Mako shark? A. they are shaped like man's finger. B. They are as long as the fingers of Santiago. C. They have razor sharp cutting edges on both sides. D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 42. Santiago donates spear to dash dash. A. Manolin. B. Pedrico. C. Perico. D. Martin. Correct option is A. Manolin. Number 43. Who says, in the old man and the sea eyes, I will bring the luck with me? Options are A. Manolin. B. Perico. C. San Pedro. D. Martin. Correct option is A. Manolin. Number 44. When Santiago took Manolin, the latter was of dash dash years old. A. 5. B. 7. C. 11. D. 18. Correct option is A. 5. Number 45. Which of the following was the time of the day when Santiago hooked Merlin? A. Sunrise. B. Noon. C. Sunset. D. Midnight. Correct option is B. Noon. Number 46. Who of the following says, in the old man and the sea, as no one should be alone in their old age? Options are A. Santiago. B. Manolin. C. Martin. D. Lady Tourist. Correct option is A. Santiago. Number 47. After first 40 days, Manolin leaves Santiago because the period of his training comes to an end. B. Santiago declared that he is not going to fish anymore. C. Manolin suspects of the ability in Santiago as a fisherman. D. Manolin's parent regards Santiago as a slough, the most unfortunate man. Correct option is D. Manolin's parents regard Santiago a slough, the most unfortunate man. Number 48. Which of the following is true to the scars on the hands of Santiago? A. They are result of his handling heavy fish. B. They are not fish. C. They are as old as the Arizona in the fishless desert. D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 49. Which of the following is true to the eyes of Santiago? Options are A. Everything was old except the eyes. B. His eyes are of the same color as the sea. C. His eyes are cheerful and undefeated. D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 50. Identify from the following the great fish caught by Santiago. Options are A. Shark. B. Dolphin. C. Whale. D. Merlin. Correct option is D. Merlin.